You know, as I've said before, there are ways to do cold weather installs. It's the beauty of the modified asphalt polymer shingles that we predominantly are using nowadays. The Northgate and the Landmark ClimateFlex shingle from CertainTeed. You know, we used to have, and Rick, you know, we've been doing a show of some variation, home show, whatever it was, for years, and I'd talk about 40 and rising.
Exactly.
And that was always, and I'd say, it doesn't matter if you're painting, caulking, pouring concrete, whatever you're doing on the outside, it's 40 and rising. And that was the old standard really for asphalt shingle installation and the mod bit, flat roof installations. The products are different today, okay, and they are designed. The Northgate and the Landmark ClimateFlex, the modified SBS, specifically designed initially for the cold weather climates.
How about that?
They needed to have the ability to be able to widen that temperature range where shingles could actually be installed. So we can actually install, without damaging the shingles, those shingles down to 20 degrees.
Wow.
Okay. So as long as
I'm sure the crew appreciates that.
Well, I gotta tell you, when the crew has a choice of sitting at home
or out making money,
they're certainly a tough breed and very, very resilient, very, very, very willing, motivated to work. So this idea that we've got a 20-degree range now on certain shingles. Now, if you were installing, like the roof yesterday, was not a Northgate roof. It was not a modified SBS roof. It was a traditional architectural laminated shingle. So the typical caveat and warning that goes to everybody, and Tad knows this, and Tad's out there with the crew, we need to make sure that the pressures are set correctly on the air compressors, and we need to make sure that if we have an air compressor that has multiple nail guns running off of that air compressor, say there's 3 guns running off a compressor, and 2 of the guys get off the roof to go to the store or to go get lunch or something, and that one gun is still up there nailing, now all of a sudden that one gun is blowing nails through shingles. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
These are things that you have to be aware of. And what happens with really, really cold asphalt shingle, that's the damage you have, is that you are blowing holes. The nails are literally blowing holes in the shingles.
Yeah.
Okay. The other problem is that it's very, very difficult to form your valleys because the shingle has to bend.
Exactly.
And it's very, very difficult to be able to secure and nail, fasten properly your hip and ridge shingles and things like that. So, but there are cold weather methods to install these things if the people that you have installing it know their trade.